Hi, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to give a new look to the doll I pre-lightened in my previous video. To do that I'm using Pravana Vivids, and for the roots I'm mixing purple with red to create that rich plum color, and I'm melting it into orange yellow. So in the back I'll not use the yellow yet because the hair is too short, and it's going to be covered anyway because she has a blunt bob haircut. So I'm starting by applying the mix of red and purple at the roots, and I continue melting it into orange. So my first color at the roots is the combination between red and purple, followed by fuchsia as a transition to orange. So the last one is orange. I prefer to apply a root color first on small sections, so I did a few small sections in the back low, and now I'm doing 2 sections in the back top, and then I divide them in 2 and I start the melting. So now after I did the roots, I will apply the orange and yellow without mixing them, and then I apply fuchsia as a transition color, and I use my fingers to blend them together, and I'll continue like that all the way to the top, and then I'll do the other side. So as you've seen, I started to use yellow. It looks very nice now. Now it's time to work on the sides. So again, I'm applying the roots, and as you see, I started from the bottom, working my way to the top, because that's how the hair falls anyway, so it's easy. I forgot to mention that I have cleaned my gloves after each section I melted, just to make sure I don't create any stains that I don't want on certain parts of the hair. So always have clean gloves. If your palm of the glove gets pretty dirty and you don't have time to clean it, you can like turn it and use the other side of your hand to apply colors, but make sure you have clean gloves all the time. Once I'm done with side application, I do the other side the same, and I continue with the bangs. For the bangs, I'm using a foil, a support, and I start my painting melting from the ends. I applied my yellow first, and then orange, and then I just applied the dark color of the roots, the mixture of purple and red. So I take very thin sections, pretty transparent, so I can see what I applied on my previous section, and I just followed that pattern. Once I'm done with application, I'll process it for 15 minutes. That's enough for Pravana to work, and I'll wash it carefully and then style. So here you have the final result. I'm just straightening her hair a little bit to make it smoother. Here you have the final look, and the bangs too. You can see the yellow a little bit more in the bangs. The rest looks more like a color melt from purple to orange. I love the result in the bangs. Sometimes I'm getting tempted to do this for my hair, but then I know I'll hate it because bangs are so high maintenance. But anyway, I love the result on this mannequin head. I wish more people would dare to wear this kind of hair colors. Here I have a quick before after bleaching and a quick after, the front and the back.